All right, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome.
They gave us 2 days for the demolition. But looking at things, that 2 days it won't work. I think it's 4 or 5 days or even a week. Because the things here are many.
Only some dignitaries that he invited, looking at the Nigerian old Nollywood actresses and actors, the likes of Ramsey Noah, we have Rita Dominic, Iniedo, a whole lot of celebrities that he invited, and you have high profile rich men like Ose Kwame Despite, Ernest Ofori Sapon, Dr. Ernest Ofori Sapon.
What you say, this is coded media. A whole and now when you be free. Coded media. Subscribe, say coded media.
Well, I was memo about coded media. So, area and your bonnet, your buyer, the young billionaire, Richard Nii Armah. A birthday celebration no a Black Star Square. I don't know name say Independence Square no. And the birthday. The 40th birthday was celebrating the kama. Nana ya background so ya pese ya dan no ma bi adi kire na hu how decoration no net here. Eno omuwie program no emretentin a afọ wo mu a omde ye decoration. Visa decoration enya agro. Looking at ahano a police checkpoint and a security checkpoints ahodoa na ewo grounds was say enti entrance no any baby a cars no wo no ho na police fo gu ho ansa na baby a barricade yi we enso no wabeto security fo a omo be check wo na waba ha ufiri ha say ya ansa na waba ni say ama hanso ya check wo na animu ho baby a car no esi no aha ehonso ahona we be your final check na wawuram awie no baby a birthday party no anasa party no ekoso no ene de ya ne se edan na ehɔ no abɔ tent kama yes me ho ena wubewura na afi party no wakɔ celebrate with ono enti security checkpoint ne the door so eba say omo demolition nti no ase eno ma bebre ekọ ti kakra wa har me pese me danadi e kire wo na emom inside ne de menua eba a wo hwe me eba wanwa eba gi wo nsam enti yegu so wo hwe menua no mu a eno ma no bi na omo twetwe ekọ no what you say enti ha looking at tent here wo ehọ no mo na ye behwe ehu se udin ewo omo aye to yansa frɛ omo no udin wo ma na ase udin nim ansa na wawuram ahaya na amokas esisi ano ha ambulance nso esi etire sei eye tent we na chi ombehwe ama wahu se ai obia ebambo ene na pomuden nsem ekoyi kama what you say aha nti aha na ye final way a obefa na wako na ahwe nso ana ye wo eye standby generators ahodo bebre esisi joint red ayi ahu eye standby generator na ho sana inside no so ya na wa wunim se eye Independence Square ha na Black Star Square ha de aya na car park sem de enye ha nti grounds wa se kakraka ni nyina no na eye car park na during the occasion so o provide cars na efa omo a ye invite omo nti demolition na ekoso no wohya bre ya oka ho na omu yiyi we nyina ti wohwa ha sei na we nyina ne abɔ ne tintintintin e de kɔ akire ho looking at ho no na omugusu a omo ye adwuma no enti no omo de ayi black we nyina nso agye ho kama bibia ekoso kama what I say aha enti entrance no aha sei ye wo gold for ti gold for mo entrance ni gold na ha e wo blue nso de wa ha ena akire ho mekọ ha mu wahu nti gold entrance nie ena ye wo blue enso wa ha ansa na akire ho ye wo red memo wahu ni nyina e wa ha sei ansa na ewram nti demolition na ekoso looking at me nua maama omo ha sei ene me nua bema adwuma a obo na ha sei a omu gusu a omo ye demolition no me pese me kasa bebre ye be ko inside na wa hwe sene inside no enso esibi etie e wo honom na saa glass ayi we ya hu ye no enum na odi ni Bugatti anase Bugatti no a wo ton mu no for the birthday no odi be see ye ana ha sei no the am want man for the private jet a toy no anka ho ama ne se private jet ne na odi background so ha woni ba bi a obelande ntino na se ogya no aviator center anase ogya no wo airport anase parking a year ebeboa enti demolition na na ekoso no sese no me pese me wuram me pese coded me wuram ba ansa na no me pese nka me fa eye gold entrance ha na uhu bibia wate ase me pese me fa gold entrance so aha nti gold entrance no na me nam no ma me mfa echira ha sei na hwe sane ho esibi etie aha nti gold entrance ni uhwe inside that means yes enya agro kra so nti me ko echire ho na mamu wahu de wi na eho enso tie omo bo tent ahodo bebre se omo be perform stage ni nyina be bi anuane ni no ma be free aba nso ni nyina e be serve wo no ni nyina mu di nuane ne nsa e be free aba nyina no nso ye tent ahodo a na ewo grounds honum nti demolition na ene ekoso no omugusu a ye eho adwuma wate ase aha nti saa na tie ewa ha nti wo dia mamira entrance we mu na me ma hu how a esi etie. Okay, so looking at the grounds, you see there were these air conditions and some materials they use in the decoration. Looking at the lamps, everything over here, you can see, you know, the place wasn't that easy, you know. The decoration was very, very mad, like looking at some expensive materials and, you know, with his tag RNAQ40. So Richard Nii Armah at 40 with his tag or his brand this thing on some materials over here. So this is the whole ground, and this was the stage that Stone Boy, Sarkodie, Davido, Diamond Platinum, Fua, Kidi, Kim Promise had their performance. And let me tell you, looking at here, you can see it's filled or covered with carpet. But moving forward, you can see that the ground is there. So it wasn't that small. Looking at the preparations, the kind of materials, the metallic bands and everything around here shows the thing was really, really expensive, and it really caused them, man, because only rich men, let me say billionaires, can do this. The place was very big, and you know, those for some of you viewers, you know how the Blaster Square looks like. It's a very big ground where we used to have this presidential event and some big events. So this is the ground, and I think here was the VVIP. Where am I? Is where they had the VVIP. So it was like we're having during the event, we're having like 8 entrance before you get to the VIP, and you know every entrance had a bar that you can go there for your drinks, and the drinks was very, very expensive. We're having this air conditioners around in all corners, so that you not be in these occasions and you'll be sweating, you'll be panting. No, we had a very cool let me say weather. I was here, and in looking at my platform, I have several content that I've posted over there, so it wasn't that easy. The kind of lights and everything that, you know, they use in their decorations, how they prepared some pillars. Looking at all this, there are pillars around, and these pillars, let me say, it was let me say they use wood in their pillars. And looking at the kind of light lamps that they use, very, very expensive materials for the decorations and everything. And as I said, in every corner that you go, you see some of his brand name, or let me say his tag, RNAQ 40, Richard Nii Armah at 40 over there. So it wasn't that easy. The preparation was very hard. It was mad. Looking at the lamps, the air conditions in every corners, and the bars in every corners, like drinking bars, and some lightnings, everything, lamps, the kind of table preparations, and the food that was served around shows that this man really spent huge sum of money for his preparation. And not looking at the preparation or the decoration only, some dignitaries that he invited, looking at the Nigerian old Nollywood actresses and actors, the likes of Ramsey Noah, we have Rita Dominic, Iniedo, a whole lot of celebrities that he invited. And you have high profile rich men like Ose Kwame Despite, Ernest Ofori Sapon, Dr. Ernest Ofori Sapon, the likes of Nana Safo, and some dignitaries like the Gamanche, a whole lot of people that came for this occasion. When it comes to graphic designs, like how everything was being done and managed, shows this man has really spent a huge sum of money. Now back to the preparations. As I said, every corner, this is an entrance. You come out from this entrance, and looking at your right, you see that there is a drinking bar over there that you can go there for any mineral or anything you feel like drinking. And when you move straight, this is another entrance that leads to the VVIP. And looking at your left, you see another drinking bar over there. And let me tell you, as I said, every corner that you go, you see these air conditioners to make the weather very cool, so that no one will be panting or sweating under the ceremony. So it was very nice. So let me take you to where he was sitting during the occasion. You see the lightning, the decorations were very mad. Even I think it had been taking them like 48 hours to bring some of the things down, because it was very hard. It was very, very hard. The man has really done well. He has spent a lot for his 40th birthday. We wish him well. We wish him good health, more success, prosperity, as he has been achieving. We wish him that you achieve it more and more and more, and he can do this again, like yearly, for people to feel okay.
Enti urema say na inside no etie what I say had no a blue entrance. In the blue entrance no urema wo left side ubehu say a drinking bar or honoma ubetimi age bibia about right side baby you are corner bia entrance ni urema air conditions esisi honoma chese ebema weather na very chilled ama ubibia what I say we air condition nso achi a polytank sisi honoma bema ensu na more drinking bar or right ibi or left. So what I say omani kama air conditions nso sisi hono yesro no my coat na enumre no mo yesi wiem be kama ama bibia aye fine efom no nso no mo siesie ho ye ho kama stage na ho kakraka no what I say ho na ogina ya na otena ya na yenso ye face na ho ana aye Richard Nii Armah tena ho light na ne yo mo siesie na no wadin enti drinking bars ne de na chese aye ayi bia beduru bia no drinking bars e wo ho no enti miram me ko aye gold and black no ana black and gold for no omo ho so on say na tie we pillars aye wooden pillars ahodi wom kama enti gold for no eni say na uram a etie left and right we left has say no na my drinking bar obeba na obeji na air condition so de isisiwo kama ebema weather na kama conducive kama anti say ya na ehonete drinking bar no ebi wɔ left na ebi nso ɛwɔ right so ate aseɛ we yɛ lamps anaasɛ lightning ayɛ a wɔn de yɛ esiesie hɔ ma ɛhɔ no ɛyɛ ahomeka ɛyɛ anika ɛyɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ kama so drinking bar no ebi na ɛwɔ ha sei wohwɛ wɔ ha sei nso a drinking bar no ebi nso ni air condition sisi hɔ kama wiem no wɔn hyehyɛ nneɛma na lightning no nso na ɛfɛ di siesie mu wiem nyinaa yɛ kama we nyinaa yɛ nneɛma mu de siesie hɔ air condition no kama bibia bo pillar siesie no kama ɛnya agorɔ aha ne ɛyɛ black and good ɛyɛ no area ɛno no nti areas no kyemu into ochemu ahodo bebree what I say bia so wɔ entrance n ɛwɔ ne deɛ ha yɛ n representing Nii what I say Nii ɛyi ni entrance ni sana akɔ r no yɛ red so what I say nti ha ne wɔ any nude color nude for n ti say na ɛhɔ ne teɛ what I say see inside kama ɛnoma de na no bo den pa wohwɛ air conditions ne deɛ kyɛ sɛ na ebu wɔ hɔ baabia so drinking spot no so ana bar no doors so ma clear ni nyina aha yɛ red represent a Richard red entrance no so into ufri n na ba aha sentinka main entrance na shall see free r na ko n na ko e na ko q ba r no gina hɔ ma red we nyina enso yɛ baabi apɛsɛ oyɛ hu yɛ mu siesie hɔ kama we demolition no ɛkɔ ɛwɔ hɔ no ma ɛnyɛ agorɔ we nyina standby generators aha nso yɛ tent ahodoɔ mo yɛ a ɛbɛboa ma nkɔfo nso ɛyɛ ti sɛ na meka no ɛyi no sɛ na net yɛ n ɛyɛ nude representing nude color r ɛyɛ red for red entrance n ɛyɛ for nude color for n for so entrance no ansa na obɛba so ata aseɛ nti blue no ɛna ɔde represent ɛyɛ a no what I say on the blue no representing a and also entrance ni a obefam na akwa kama barricades a hodo nyina de gye ho ansana uba gold and black on and as gold na and no representing kill in everything no a for blue kill for gold sa energy
they give us 2 days for the demolition. But looking at things, that 2 days in your own work, I think it's 4 or 5 days or even a week. Because the things here are many. Yeah, and the people are tired too. So some don't want to come today, some want to come tomorrow and stuff. So it will take a week. Wow.
After some event in the course,
Saturday evening. No, it was even morning. Na Sunday and Opana, we started taking the things off.
So far, this is what you people have been able to.
Yes.
Wow. There's more to go.
There's more to go. Because all this, the pains, everything must come down. Yeah. So by Friday, Saturday, I think everything will be done.
We're talking about lighting. Someone I'm in charge of.
Yeah, we did the lighting, high end and Rhythms Africa. Wow. Yeah, we did the lighting. For all the events,
roughly
all the stations.
Roughly, why you Jumanache?
Yeah.
Especially with the Independence Square. It's easy to say that you show near but so manufacture your occasion. Lighting need to be of course. I'm never happy. You know, say your green, light,
your blue, red, gold, and black and gold. You know. Yeah.
So roughly with the amount involved, so people saw this particular lighting. How is it going to be?
With the amount involved in it, I can't say.
Roughly. With the
an estimate.
Yeah. Oh, I can't say it because once nipa no G Jumano, what the budget.
Okay.
The G Jumano so a buy and also so what yeah. So without I can't say anything about it.
So will be per of farmer mobile say. The estimate saying that all say on budget for
and mom dear I can't because the German so but I can't mention any amount for that.
You mention amount for this program.
But I understand you, but I can't say anything because